Welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Emzini, the family legacy, from the 27th to the 1st of May 2026 on Monday. The failed Emzini buyout escalates. Zakhele keeps Shaka and Duduzile as silent partners and bars them from the Emzini premises. Shaka, however, signals he's ready to take back control on Tuesday. Bandile is officially crowned Emzini's new boss at a flashy party, while Shaka secretly sabotages it. Duduzile's bribe is rejected by Rorisang, and Zakhele vow revenge on Panyaza in prison on Wednesday. Duduzile bids for forgiveness backfires when Rorisang uncovers her affair with Panyaza, sparking suspicions that it ties to Mulondo's death and explaining Zakhele's harsh rejection on Thursday. The party fails when DJs and promoters vanished, leaving Emzini empty. Zakhele and Bandile blame Shaka but failed to regain control. Bandile declared war, vowing Shaka may have won this battle, but not the war on Friday. Shaka and Zakhele's rivalry explodes into violence, with Shaka threatening to destroy everything Zakhele built. Emzini struggled to recover from disastrous party as Bandile plots a new student focus event. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.